All right, this is the intercept. I think that's where we were before it shut off. Intercept. Now, come down lower on this, Larita. You see that that's the x-intercept there. The x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. So where y is 0, that's x. So here's y is 0, and then x is negative 1/2. See, that's 0, that's 1, that's negative 1/2. So this is the x-intercept. Plotting just 2 points is fine. That's all you really need. But to be a little bit sharper, you want to do 3 points, 3 or 4 points, and then the x and the y-intercept. It just makes it a little sharper. Okay, now, this is what this graph is about, all right? There's 2 graph problems, okay? So for instance, let's extend this box, okay? And we're going to say -1, -2, -3, -4, say, okay? Now, instead of going through the equation, let's see if we can use the graph to find these values. Clear? Because what we did was we graphed the equation, we made a picture of the equation, right? That's what we did. You made it into a picture. Isn't a picture easier to understand than someone telling you a story?
Yeah.
Isn't a movie easier to understand than telling a story? Even though it works in different parts of the brain, imagination, etc. If you're going to be told a complicated story, wouldn't you rather watch the movie? Yeah. So this is kind of like the movie. This is a picture. All right? So -1, so here's x. This is x, right? So -1 would be here. -1, -1. Correct? Is that right?
Yes.
-1 is -1. Okay? -2. Here's -2. -3. Here is -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -3 is -5. Here's -4. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? You see that? 7, -7. Now, this is the problem when you're making a graph by hand. You see how this is not exactly on the 7, it's a little bit below. So the graph is a little bit more general. It's not as quantitative, it's not as exact as putting it into the equation. Clear? Or using a calculator. Yes?
Yes.
But it gives you a very good idea. So now what I can do is I can say, right, I can find the value of one given the other. So I found the value for y as related to its corresponding x. So these are related, x and y. They're related. Yes? Here's the x, -2, and here's the y. So -2 and y, these are related. So you're going to call this point, right? -2, -3, comma, -3. They're related. Do you get that? Okay, now let's do one more and then we'll quit. Let's find this point. Y is 9. No? Y is, okay, well, we already have y is 9, but let's do y is 11. Okay? Y is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if y is 11, x is 5. Now, let's see if that fits in the equation. So we have y equals 2x plus 1. Y is 11. 2x plus 1. Correct? Subtract 1 from both sides, what do you get? You get 10 equals 2x, because you're subtracting 1 from 11, correct?
Yeah.
And then divide through by 2, x equals 5, and that fits. So I can either do it using the equation, or you can read it right off the graph, correct?
Yes.
We're done.